Hi, my name is Clara. I work at Fairphone's HR team and I've been asked to swap out a camera module on the Fairphone 5. I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I've got the Fairphone here. I'm going to start by popping out the back. And I've got the battery, which I'm going to take out first. And I see the camera module here, so I'm going to start with the silver screws and just pop these out. Lefty loosey on these. Okay, that's all the screws, I think. I'm assuming just like the back cover, I can pop it out. Yeah. All right, got it. And this is the module I'm supposed to take out. I'm gonna try and pop this part out. There we go. Okay. And now to reassembling it in. I think that's secure in. All right. And I guess I'll just put it back in. It sounds a bit strong, but I think I'm doing it right. And then the screws back on, I guess. I really like the blue. I think it's super nice. And I like that this kind of pops out a little bit. I think that's, and that it stays blue even though you take the cover out. I think that's a really cute sort of addition to it. And I like that you could still find a map, just like in the older Fairphone. So yeah, that's quite cute. And I think this is the last screw. All right. Battery back in. Yeah. And I can test it out. Okay, then I'll take a picture of this camera module. I hope it works. There you go. It worked.